Hi, this is Brian from GoFries.com. With us today we have the Sapphire HD7790OC with dual X cooling system. Now, as you can see, the fan is very silent. It's running at 0%. Here's the speed at 50%. And then here's the speed at 100%. From my experience with this graphic card, running it at 40% is just nice, even on full load. As you can hear, this is the sound directly from the system, so you won't hear much of it once the casing is closed and when you're playing game. Right, that's all for this recording. See you next time.